where everything seems perfect, but it lacks the depth and complexity of human relationships. While this can be comforting in the short term, it can make real-life relationships seem messy and complicated in comparison. The challenge is to find a balance, using AI as a tool for support while still nurturing genuine human connections.
One of the most significant limitations of AI, at least for now, is its inability to truly understand and reciprocate human emotions. AI can process language and recognize patterns, but it lacks the lived experience to grasp the nuances of human feeling. While AI can mimic empathy through scripted responses, it cannot genuinely feel or share our joys and sorrows. This lack of genuine emotional connection can create a sense of artificial intimacy. People may feel emotionally fulfilled in the moment, but this feeling is based on a simulation, not a real connection.
The rise of AI companions will undoubtedly impact our social landscape. As these intelligent machines become more prevalent, they will change the way we interact with each other and with technology. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we will need to develop new social norms and etiquette. This means understanding how to communicate effectively with AI and how to incorporate them into our daily routines without disrupting human relationships.
For example, how do we introduce our AI companion in social settings? Should we treat them as equals or as tools designed to assist us? These questions will shape the future of our interactions. What are the boundaries of sharing personal information with an AI? We must consider the implications of revealing too much to these digital entities, as they are capable of storing and processing vast amounts of data.
Furthermore, the constant presence of AI in our lives raises questions about privacy and data security. We need to be vigilant about who has access to our personal information and how it is being protected. Who has access to our conversations with AI assistants? Are these interactions being monitored? And if so, by whom? These are critical concerns in an age where data breaches are increasingly common. How is this data being used? Understanding the purpose behind data collection and its potential uses is essential for maintaining trust in AI technologies. These are important questions that we need to address as a society. By engaging in open dialogue and setting clear guidelines, we can navigate this new social landscape responsibly and ethically.